Before watching this video, make sure you have watched How to Review Data as a Standard User, as most of the HSE review content is covered there. This video is going to cover how to review data as an admin user. In order to access the HSE review menu as an admin user, you will first need to log into admin mode. Do this by clicking admin, user mode, then admin in the drop-down menu. Enter your PIN code and click OK. The default is 1234. Next, click the HSE review button. Admin users get all the features available to the standard users, but they can review data from all users. This can be used to find all the users that have been exposed to vibration levels that exceed the HSE action limit, or the HSE alarm limit. Being able to select more than one user means a collective report can be made. This report may be of a tool that more than one operator has used, allowing a correlation to build up of certain tools producing more HSE points than others. Typically, when selecting data, there will be only one file per day. A user may build up more than one file per day, one for each tool or task completed. You may switch between users when selecting this data. Once a file has been selected and placed into the plots file table, it will stay there until it has been manually removed, with the up arrow, or with a rubbish bin, which removes all the data in the table. Viewing the data as files rather than HSE points history would allow you to quickly pick out the worst tools and tasks and allow the admin to concentrate on relevant data. The admin can then put these files into a report. The admin user will then be aware to limit the time to spend performing a certain task or when using certain tools, especially if users are going over their daily action level limit. Once you have selected and plotted files of interest where users have either gone over or have come close to their action level limit, then you can save the data in CSV format. The CSV file format can be viewed in an Excel spreadsheet and is universally recognized. You may also want to save the graph on the right of the screen. This can be done by right-clicking on the graph, then click Save or Copy, or paste it straight into your report. Watch our previous video on how to review data as a standard user, as this covers the review menu in more depth.